Well, the one in there is still eating. Yeah, it's an Impala, male Impala that they've caught. But most of them are finished. It's just the one youngster finishing the scraps there around the skull. What do they see over there? Something attracting their attention over there. Oh, it's another cub moving. Okay. So there's a branch, quite a big track coming into the east. You won't miss it. You would actually be able to see us from the road. Gone off to go to the toilet. So the pride here, the youngsters are 5 females and 1 young male. 5 females as they grow up will stay as part of the pride.
Gå den fra flokken, hvor hundene bliver i flokken. Ej, hvor er det godt.